little squiggle on the page. Comma rules can feel like rage, but I got a trick that makes it clear. Fanboys lips will bring you cheer.
Fanboys lips, remember that your comma game will be on track. Fanboys lips, the perfect key to punctuate with victory.
FANBOYS, join complete thoughts for and nor, but, or, yet, so.
I wanted ice cream, but it melted fast. Put that comma there to make it last.
L is for lists, 3 things or more. Pencils, papers, and books galore. I for intros, starting your phrase. Well, after lunch, we went our ways. P means parenthetical, extra info too. My teacher who loves grammar thinks you're cool. S is specifics, names, dates and places. Hey Maria, come to Boston, Massachusetts. No more confusion, no more